Hello friends, my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel as a graphics and multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakubu right here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add IDM extension to your Google Chrome browser, step-by-step tutorial. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from beginning to the end. So with that being said, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to come to your search engine right here and type in IDM not Okay, IDM not showing in Google Chrome extension. Click on that. Right, so it's going to load up like this. So what you need to do right here is to scroll down and you have to locate this particular URL right here. So click on this URL link. That is the official website of IDM. All right, so once it open up this way and you can see the URL right here, internetdownloadmanager.com. So that is the official website for IDM extension for Google Chrome. So you have to scroll down right. What you need to do is to make sure you click on this link right here to download the IDM extension software. After you have successfully downloaded it, make sure you run the setup on your PC. After you run the setup, and you're going to have the IDM icon on your computer, just like what you see on the screen right here. So after you have successfully run it on, you have the icon on your PC. Next thing you want to do is to go back to your Chrome extension. Then you have to come to the top right here to make it enable. So you click on here and you move to your extension. Then you look for manage extension. Then you're going to see the IDM extension on your Chrome. Next thing you want to do is to just turn it on to enable it. Once it's enabled, then so you can see right here it has been installed. So once you install IDM extension, so let's see how IDM extension work for your browser. So I'm going to create a new tab right here. Then let's search for youtube.com. All right, so right here I'm going to click on this video link right here. All right, so I'm going to download this video. So you're going to see a download from the top or from the bottom of the video right here. So you can click on anyone. So let's say I want this use these options. I'm going to click on here. Then it's going to give me variety of options of what of the resolution I can use to download this video. I'm going to download in higher resolution. Then I'm going to click on start downloading. Okay, after a successful download, you can click on open folder. All right, so you can see the video right here in your separate folder. So this is how you can download any video on website using IDM Chrome extension. All right, so I hope you really got value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big like, and also don't forget to hit on the subscribe for more tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.